Everyone thinks the best-selling electronic drum set is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Alesis Nitro Pro. Let's kick things off with the Alesis Nitro Pro electric drum set. Priced at $699, this set caught my attention right away with its professional features and impressive sound library. If you're craving a complete percussion experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Nitro Pro features ultra-quiet mesh drum heads, which means you can practice without disturbing anyone around you. It comes with a revolutionary drum module that includes over 500 BFD sounds. That's a huge range for creativity and customization. Plus, it has Bluetooth connectivity for easy integration with your devices, and it even supports double kick pedals for those who want to take their drumming further. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 401 reviews, it's clear that many users are satisfied with this choice. Now, some people complained about the initial setup being somewhat complex. Here's the thing though, if you take your time to read the instructions, it's really not that bad, and the sound quality makes it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a serious upgrade to your drumming game. Skip this one if you're just getting started and prefer something more straightforward. Overall, for $699, you're getting a lot of value here. Now, if the price of the Nitro Pro was a bit too steep for you, the next option might be just the right fit. Product number 2, AODSK Electric Drum Set. Next up, we have the AODSK Electric Drum Set, which is a fantastic option for beginners at just $199.99. What stands out here is its portability and ease of use. If you're just starting out and want something budget-friendly, this is worth a serious look. The AODSK set includes 150 high-quality sounds and 10 demo songs to inspire you as you learn. The 4 6.5-inch drum pads respond well to your strikes, giving you a nice feel while you play. The lightweight and foldable frame makes it easy to transport, so you can practice anywhere. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 684 reviews, it's clearly appealing to a lot of new drummers. Now, some users mentioned that the pads can feel a bit small if you're used to larger acoustic drums. Here's the thing though, for beginners, this size is usually pretty manageable, and it helps with developing your technique without overwhelming you. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, affordable starter kit. Skip this if you're ready to dive into something more advanced. For $199.99, it's a great deal for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a little more versatility. Product number 3, Donner DD70. Now let's talk about the Donner DD70, priced at $198. This set has garnered a lot of attention for its features at this price point, especially for beginners. If you want an entry-level kit that offers a bit more bang for your buck, this is worth a serious look. The DD70 comes with 4 6.5-inch mesh pads and 3 9-inch silicone cymbals, which provide a nice balance of realism and quietness. You also get 150 built-in sounds and 15 customizable kits, allowing for plenty of variety in your practice sessions. The fact that it's portable and easy to set up makes it even more appealing. Plus, its 4.5-star rating from 470 reviews suggests it's well-liked among users. However, some users reported needing a power amplifier for sound output, which can be an extra cost. But here's the thing. If you're just starting out, you might already have speakers or headphones you can use, so it's not a deal-breaker for most beginners. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly kit with good sound variety. Skip this if you're already committed to a more advanced setup. For $198, it's a solid choice that won't break the bank. Now, if you're still looking for something with a bit more punch, the next product could be just what you need. Product number 4, Alesis Nitro Max. Coming in next is the Alesis Nitro Max electric drum set, retailing at $399. This set is designed specifically for beginners and features a solid range of sounds that really caught my attention. If you're looking for a kit that blends quality and affordability, this is worth a serious look. The Nitro Max features ultra-quiet mesh heads, just like its sibling, the Nitro Pro, but at a more approachable price. It includes 440 plus sounds and 32 ready-to-play kits, which means you'll never run out of ideas when you sit down to play. Plus, it has Bluetooth for easy connectivity to your devices. With a 4.4-star rating from over 2,600 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among entry-level drummers. Some users did mention that the pedal can feel a bit flimsy compared to more expensive models. But honestly, for the price and considering it's aimed at beginners, I think it holds up just fine for practice and learning. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable starter kit that still feels professional. Skip this one if you need something more heavy-duty right off the bat. At $399, it's a great middle ground for those stepping into the drumming world. Now, if you're ready to step into something a little more advanced, this last product really shines in terms of features. Product number 5, Donner DD 200X. Last but not least, we have the Donner DD 200X, priced at $399.99. This set is all about delivering a realistic playing experience with its full mesh drum heads. If you're serious about getting closer to that acoustic feel, this is worth a serious look. The DD 200X features a comprehensive setup with 5 pads and 4 cymbals, delivering 450 sounds and 31 kits. The mesh heads not only feel great to play, but also keep the noise down, which is a big win if you're in shared living spaces. Plus, with features like built-in songs and a metronome, it's great for practice. With a rating of 4.4 stars from 725 reviews, it's clearly making waves. However, a downside is that it doesn't come with a built-in speaker. Some users found this limiting, but the truth is, connecting to external speakers or headphones makes for a more immersive experience anyway. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a more advanced practice kit that mimics acoustic drums. Skip this if you're just starting out and need something simpler. At $399.99, it's a worthy investment for serious drummers. So there you have it. We covered the Alesis Nitro Pro, AODSK Electric Drum Set, Donner DD 70, Alesis Nitro Max, and the Donner DD 200X. Each of these sets caters to different needs and budgets, so whether you're a beginner or looking to step up your game, there's something for you. Happy drumming!